This is what happens when Victorian tiles get buried under years of wax and neglect. And this is what they looked like after we brought them back to life. I'm in Chertsey today, where a beautiful Victorian hallway had lost its charm. The tiles were dull and grimy, all thanks to an old wax treatment that had turned against them. The good news? The tiles themselves were still in decent shape. So we got to work, starting with wax removal and a deep clean. Now this is the bit most people miss. Victorian floors don't have a damp-proof membrane, so moisture can rise, bringing salts that stain the surface. We rinsed, did a gentle acid wash, and let it dry overnight. Next day, once dry, I applied a breathable, color-enhancing sealer. No harsh smells, just a soft, silky finish. What a transformation. My client messaged me later. Thank you so much, I didn't believe my floor could look so nice. If you've got Victorian tiles, use a pH-neutral cleaner, like LTP Wax Wash, or Fila pH-neutral cleaner to keep them looking great. Need help with your tiles? Call Fabritec at 0137 266 4337 or visit tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk. Because even the oldest floors deserve to shine.